These are my top 7 favorite movies or TV shows to watch about wealth building, whether it be real estate or business, because they are my passions. All right, number 7 is The Heist. The Heist is pretty popular. I believe it's on Netflix, maybe. The Heist is all around about a guy who wanting to hijack the system and prove to the system that he can print money, and how fucked up is it that the government can print and he can't. And for those of you who know me so well, that I love talking about inflation and printing money and what a scam it is, he was trying to prove the concept of that scam, how it should be illegal that the government, aka, well, not really the government, but the RBA can print money, but the average Joe Blow can't. The next one is 99 Homes. This is all around how a guy took on an opportunity of the bad storm that happened with real estate after the 2008 crash. Number 6 is a very popular, well-known one, Wolf of Wall Street. If you need to know more about money, go watch that. And another very popular one is The Big Short, all explaining about how the crash over in the GFC happened over in the US. Number 3 is Superpumped. This is all about how the business Uber was created. Really cool to understand how to grow a business that doesn't have profit to begin with. My second favorite one is very popular in the real estate industry, but The Founder, which is all about Macca's. Because for those of you who don't know, McDonald's is not a burger business primarily, it's a real estate business. But how they came to the conclusion of that is a really cool story to watch. And last but not least, my number 1 favorite movie or TV, this is a short TV series, is called We Crashed. This is all about a company who raised billions of dollars to create a business around co-working spaces. So you know how sometimes you'll see a bunch of units, like working space office type units, they essentially were famous for creating that as a co-working space. They were trying to run a sort of, trying to raise capital similar to how Uber did it. And what was really cool is watching how quick this business expanded, but then how quickly it fucking disappeared and it completely crashed. So the company was called WeWork, but they titled the TV show We Crashed. And you'll notice with the familiarities of these TV shows and these movies is I'm actually looking at the characters and the people who were leading the ideas and the investors who had the vision to create and go after a dream. So really just observing their behaviors on what made them successful. And this TV show also has Anne Hathaway on it, so that's a bonus. And my favorite part about this is just observing how crazy and wild and out there that the founder was. Quite often he was brutal at times. He didn't let anything or anyone get in his way. And also watching the relationships around him, based on the TV show anyway, on the relationships around him, on how they all suffered because of his extremism. So I highly recommend giving We Crashed a watch on Apple TV.